welcome to class. Today we're going to be working with our new unit called Making Waves, and it is light and sound. And so we're going to start off with our first introductory book, the book that gives us an introduction to our 6-week unit book. So the introductory book is named Light and Sound. Now, because we are middle school students, we do read books. So this is a standalone book. And after we read this, then we will go into our chapter book. But let's talk a little bit about this. Because we are middle school kids, we have a book, and our book has a title. The title is the name of the book in words, and it has a cover. Here on the cover, we can see that the cover tells us some things about the book. If we look at this picture, we can see that we see a honking horn, we see clapping hands, we see music notes. I wonder if that has to do with sound. And then over here, we see a candle, a flashlight, we see a lightning bug. That has to do with light. So the cover of the book tells us something about the story, about what's in the book. It also, on the front of the book, gives us information about who wrote the book, the author of the book. The author of this book is Janelle Gazunas. I may not be saying that right, but her name is Gazunas. And then it also gives us the illustrator. The illustrator, who remembers what the illustrator does? The illustrator puts in the pictures. They put the pictures inside the story so that we can have an idea of what things look like. So this time it's Alex Weishart. He's the one that chose the pictures that are in our story. So let's get started. Let's read Light and Sound. Light and sound. Energy is the power to do something. Energy can be found everywhere. Light and sound are types of energy. The light from a lamp is energy. The sounds from a radio are energy. Light is energy that allows us to see. We can get light from many things. The sun gives off a light. A flashlight or a candle gives off light. A firefly gives off light too. Oh my gosh, look. There's the candle. There's the flashlight. There's the firefly. A light can look bright. A spotlight shining on a stage can look bright. Light can look dim. The light from a small lamp in a room can look dim. Light moves in waves. Light waves move very fast. We can see some light waves, but we cannot see all light waves. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I wonder, how do we see light waves? I wonder if we'll find out. That's something to think about. Sounds are all around us. A sound is anything we hear. Clapping your hands make a sound. A car horn makes a sound. Playing a musical instrument makes a sound. Oh, look, they have pictures of all of that. Clapping, honking a horn, and the musical notes. Sounds can be loud or quiet. A siren on a police car makes a loud sound. You can make a quiet sound when you whisper. Oh, I don't know too many people that can whisper very well. That's a hard thing to do, isn't it? Sounds are caused by vibrations. Vibrations happen when something moves. It moves back and forth very fast. When you pluck a rubber band, it makes vibrations. The vibrations move in waves. Sound waves move into our ears. Then we can hear the sound. People cannot hear every sound around them. Some sounds are too quiet, low, or high. Light and sound are all around us. They are types of energy. Light and sound both move in waves. What else do you know about light? What else do you know about sound? Well, I know that I need light to see. I know that I need to hear things for my safety. I know that I need light for my safety. I know that oftentimes people use light to do things like help things grow. I wonder what we'll learn about light and sound. Well, that's the end of our story today. I'm excited. I can't wait to hear more. Well, we will be learning more about light and sound. It seems like there must be a lot to learn about them. I can't wait. Please listen to this story over again and think about, if you have any questions, think about what you would like to learn more about. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.